This is problem number 7 of GATE 2017. The matrix A 3 by 2 0 half 0 minus 1 0 half 0 3 by 2 has three distinct eigenvalues and one of its eigenvector is 1 0 1. Which one can be the other eigenvector? Option A 0 0 minus 1, option B minus 1 0 0, option C 1 0 minus 1, option D 1 minus 1 1. Okay, whenever a matrix is given to you, you need to check the matrix first. Is there any hidden property in it? Okay, you can see that this is nothing but a symmetric matrix. If you take A transpose, you will get the A, right? So it is a symmetric matrix, and it has three distinct eigenvalues. So this matrix uh, means they have three distinct eigenvalues, and the matrix is symmetric matrix. So the eigenvectors are orthogonal. The eigenvectors are orthogonal. Okay, suppose this is x1 is a eigenvector and x2 is eigenvector. So x1 transpose x2 must be 0. So this is the condition when a matrix is a symmetric matrix and it has three distinct eigenvalues. It must be must contain the eigenvectors. Those are orthogonal. Okay. Now one eigenvector, say suppose x is given as, okay, x1 is given as 1 0 1. So you have to find from the option which should be your x2 for satisfying this equation. So x1 transpose will be 1 0 1. So it should be multiplied with such a matrix that will give the multiplication is 0. You can see that from option C. If I put 1 0 minus 1, and if you take the means multiplication, you will get the 0 value. So the correct option will be option C.